Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Readily. Readily means without hesitation or reluctance. For example, he readily admits that the new car surpasses its predecessors. He readily admits that the new car surpasses its predecessors. Synonyms: willingly, without hesitation, unhesitatingly.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exempli. She readily admitted to performing the black magic associated with witches. Now, repeat after me. She readily admitted to performing the black magic associated with witches. The second exempli. There would be a reluctance to readily dispense with them unless absolutely required. Now, repeat after me. There would be a reluctance to readily dispense with them unless absolutely required. The third exempli. Eddington readily conceded that the company's assumptions may quickly be blown off course. Now, repeat after me. Eddington readily conceded that the company's assumptions may quickly be blown off course.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
The QWERTY keyboard gains its name from the fact that its first 6 letter keys are Q, W, E, R, T and Y. On early typewriters, the keys were arranged in such a way as to minimize the clashing of the mechanical rods that carried the letters.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.